Hello composers, Mike here. In this video you will learn a powerful chord progression trick in Logic Pro X using a special app to really speed up your workflow. Let's start right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. So let's say you play around on your MIDI keyboard and you come up with some chords that you want to use for your chord progression. Let's say you start with this one. Well, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you can see what chord you just played up here. So go into Customize Control Bar and activate MIDI Activity if this is not checked already. Now when you play a chord on your MIDI keyboard, you can see when I hold down these notes up here what chord is being played. So let's say you come up with something like D minor 7 going to, let's say, A minor, to, let's say, a G, and then to F. So now if you want to record that part as, let's say, 1-bar chords in perfect alignment to the grid, well, one way is of course to manually record this, but then you will end up with mistakes. You need to quantize things, move the notes around, remove the gaps between the chords, and so on. To your rescue comes one of my new favorite apps, which is called Educator. So you simply need to first select the scale here, and let's say if I start with D minor 7, it's probably a D minor. Then you get lots of chord suggestions, both triads, seventh chords, and so on. So we start here. Actually, a D minor 7. Now I can simply drag that right here into the sequencer, or I can start by dragging in each chord here and then make the chord progression here first. So it was D minor 7. Let's see, then I went to A minor. Then I went to, let's see, G. Let's see, and G is not in the scale of D natural minor, which means you can use a borrowed key. So you can borrow from the parallel D major key, and here you get a G, and then you can go back by clicking here, back to the original scale, D natural minor. Let's see, we went to an F as the last one. So now you have. And now you can drag these into your sequencer like this. D minor 7, a perfectly aligned full bar chord, as you can see here in the piano roll. Let's bring up Educator again. A minor for the next bar, G for the next bar, F for the next bar. And you can use this as like your chord reference bank. If we drag this to my other screen now. And now you can use these chord blocks in your composition and rearrange them if you wish. Like so. Change the length of each chord. You can either cut a chord up like this to make that half a bar, and this, let's say this, you want also half a bar, then you can remove that. Or you can also use time stretching by hovering your mouse here to the right edge, hold down your Alt or Option key and drag it to the right or to the left. Let's say we make this a 1-bar chord again. And of course you can go into the piano roll, change some notes to make inversions for the voice leading of your chord progression. And now for the bonus tip, which is my favorite part of this Educator chord progression app. And that is, if you move in closer here, you can see that you actually get the chord names for each chord you drag into your sequencer, which means you can make this track your chord progression track. Meaning you can have it at the top of your sequencer to always show the chord for the chord progression of your composition. Please like, share and comment on this video to support my channel, and I will see you in the next video, my friends. Subscribe now and watch a lot more videos on composing music, producing music, sound design, Logic Pro X and much more. I'll see you in the next video, my friends.